Traditional use of plants for food and medicine, and the impact of climate change in Rizalina, Rizal, Zamboanga del Norte. Introduction. In Rizalina, traditional plant use for food and medicine plays a vital role in the community's cultural identity. However, climate change threatens the availability of these plants, disrupting both diets and traditional healing practices. This study explores the types of plants used, the associated traditional knowledge, and the impact of climate change of these practices. By understanding these changes, we aim to support the community in adapting to environmental challenges. Significance of the study. The study aims to preserve cultural practices, promote environmental resilience, and provide recommendation for social workers to help the community adapt to climate change. Research problem and objectives. The research investigates the disruption caused by climate change on plant availability and traditional healing practices. Its objectives include identifying plants use, documenting preparation methods, and assessing adaptation strategies. Theoretical framework. K-theories models. Traditional ecological knowledge or TEK highlights the importance of indigenous knowledge for community resilience and environmental adaptation. Climate resilience framework emphasizes strategies for communities to adapt to environmental changes. Community-based adaptation or CBA focuses on local participatory solutions to climate change relevant of the study. These theories guide the exploration of how traditional knowledge can be leveraged to enhance community resilience to climate. Research objectives. General objectives. To explore the traditional practices of using plants for food and medicine in Rizalina and assess the impact of climate change on the practices. Specific objectives. 1. Identify the different plants used by the community for food and medicine and document their preparation and traditional uses. 2. Examine the perceived effects of climate change on plant availability and the community's adaptation strategies. 3. Provide recommendations for social workers to help preserve traditional practices, and support climate adaptation efforts. In methodology, qualitative data collected through interview. In the study, qualitative data was collected through interviews with a 65-year-old vegetable planter from Rosalina. Key topics included plant use for food and medicine, preparation methods, and knowledge sharing practices. Discussions also covered climate change impacts on plant availability and community adaptation strategies. The findings highlight traditional knowledge, environmental changes, and the community need for conservation and support. In the discussion and analysis, the community faces challenges from climate change, leading the declining plant availability for food and medicine. Traditional practices, such as using plants for healing the conservation, are still valued but lack formal preservation efforts. Modern practices, like seaweed farming, are helping to sustain livelihoods, but they don't fully address environmental challenges. There is minimal government support for providing resources like fertilizers and water, limiting the community ability to adopt the knowledge of plant use is passed down informally, but formal knowledge sharing efforts are needed to ensure preservation for future generations. Overall, stronger conservation efforts, community support, and government involvement are necessary to build resilience against ongoing environmental changes. Next is the major findings. Climate change and overfishing are reducing plant and marine resources. Traditional practices are fading, while modern techniques dominate. Government policies do not effectively support local communities. Sustainability. is at risk, highlighting the need for stronger conservation strategies and knowledge sharing efforts. In conclusion, the community in Zalina faces challenges from climate change, including declining plant availability that affects traditional food and medicinal practices. While traditional knowledge is still valued, the lack of structured conservation efforts and minimal government support hinder adaptation to preserve cultural practices and ensure sustainability. The community must adopt climate resilience farming, promote knowledge sharing across generations, and advocate for government assistance, social workers, and future research can further support these efforts, helping the community adapt while preserving its cultural heritage. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned something from my research topic.